Looking for a USB-C cable that delivers fast charging and reliable syncing without the usual hassle? The UGREEN 3A USB-C cable promises just that: speed, safety, and broad compatibility, all wrapped in one sturdy design. Whether you're powering up your phone, tablet, or gaming device, this cable offers a seamless connection you can count on. I've been using the UGREEN USB-C cable daily for work and personal devices. What stands out immediately is how well it handles charging and data transfer across multiple gadgets, from Samsung's latest Galaxy models to the Nintendo Switch and iPad Pro. The built-in 56K ohm resistor is a smart feature, protecting devices from overcurrent damage while supporting up to 3A fast charging. That means your devices get powered up quickly and safely, without worrying about overheating or electrical issues. Durability is another win here. The cable's corrosion-resistant tinned copper conductors and aluminum foil shielding minimize data loss, delivering a steady 480 megabits per second transfer rate. Plus, the 24K gold-plated connectors with molded strain relief mean this cable holds up well over time, resisting wear even with daily plugging and unplugging. It's no surprise that users who've spent more on other cables find the UGREEN option actually outperforms them in quality and reliability. What you get is simple: a high-quality USB-C to USB 2.0 cable that fits a wide range of devices, from Samsung S20 and Note series to LG's latest phones, GoPro cameras, Motorola models, and even the Nintendo Switch. It's a versatile, dependable cable that covers all your charging and syncing needs without fuss. If you're tired of cables that fray, charge slowly, or lose data during transfers, the UGREEN 3A USB-C cable is worth a look. It's practical, affordable, and built to last. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging game with a cable that performs as well as it promises.